So I'm at the point with the Skyline where I can start doing some of the fun stuff, which is upgrades. And I got one of these Apexi intakes, and really the car already has a drop-in Apex drop-in filter, but I went ahead and got one of these, not really for the performance, mostly just for the sound. So I pretty much know it's not gonna do jack squat for performance. I just want to make the car a little bit louder. But there's really nothing to this thing. The instructions are in 100% Japanese. So there's really not a lot to it. Check it out real quick. Pretty much a filter. On the back of it has the I guess the bolts. The not the bolts, but whatever, you can see it. It's built on the back of the filter, and it comes with bolts. And this just bolts right up to the mass airflow sensor. And then it comes with a little bracket. It's really, really simple. And this is going to replace the air box. And it's going to give me some more noise, which, you know, so I'm just pretty much buying this for the noise, but we're going to get rid of this box and it's going to bolt right up here. It's a little dark in here right now, but nothing really to it. Show you how it goes real quick. So yeah, after this filter install, you know, the next thing I think I want to do as far as performance goes is the downpipe and get rid of the cat. That's gonna be next.
So Wendy's, where y'all from?
ISO. Wendy's. Yeah. Live free, speak your piece. Stay humble in these streets, yeah. In these streets. Let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store.
Yeah, it's getting hot. Starting to get hot in the garage. Good. These, you need a set of these right here. These flexible ratchet wrenches, man. These things are lifesavers. But down here, yeah, I had to reuse that little what's that, bushing, because of that bolt. Super long. It's so long that it would end up poking the tire and stuff. You know, it's so long. It's like that goes down in the fender well. I don't have any liners in there, so gotta use that. Keeps it all off of everything pretty much. Hopefully it's not too tall. Cool. I don't know if I'm gonna leave this here. Probably not, because it's moving around. But at some point I'm gonna build a little heat shield for it, maybe. And look, this right here is the top of the, you know, the bottom of the box. There's this fabric right here, and I'm pretty sure that's to absorb some sound, maybe. I wonder if just getting rid of that would increase the sound. All right, let's go start this thing up and see what it sounds like. Way louder. All right, gotta go drive the shit out of this thing now.
Live free, speak your piece. Stay humble in these streets. Let's go. Playground parks with the trees and the cars. Brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps and the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is
Before you can barely hear it spool up, all you can hear was the exhaust. It sounds pretty good now. See if I can get some pulls. Holding the camera in my hand, it's pretty tough to do this. intake for this car is expensive, so this thing sounds way better now. I don't know if it's any faster, honestly. But it sounds really
Mirrors on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps in the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. We from the home of the biggie, people blowing they ciggies. And these girls going wild cause they flashing they is litty. Watch your steps cause these blocks